Hello, Donut Fam. Glazy here. You've probably seen these push notifications of smart money signals from D0. Hype. Long consensus. Inside this one message are 5 layers of judgment. Let's break them down. The first part indicates the token and the direction. D0 aggregated multiple smart money wallets who are making the same move into a consensus signal. The second part dives into these wallets' profiles, showing that at least 2 different strategies point in the same direction. One side is high-frequency trading, the other is broad coverage. Multiple addresses aligned suggest a pattern worth noticing. Let's dive into the addresses. The first one is trading at 21 million in volume, professional scale capital. Each wallet address is traceable. 3 addresses, 1 profitable. Now, the final part. Average smart money cost. This is actually the most important number on the card. Take the current hypey price, put it next to that $55. Now, you know whether these smart money addresses are collectively in profit or underwater. Price above it means they're up. This number is your baseline for judging whether it's a good time to position alongside them. To conclude, is the long consensus worth following? Let's keep watching. All thanks to D0. If that sounds useful, follow us on X and YouTube for more tutorials, and try D0 at getdonut.ai. Donut.